Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to another episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I'm super excited for this video. I'm going to be unboxing the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. This device has a dewdrop display and I mean, so many features about it that I do love. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. The color I chose was the Aurora Blue, so I do love that this comes in a variety of colors. It comes in black, I think, coral red, and then Aurora Blue. So I'm super pumped to unbox this device. I mean, without further ado, let me just jump into the unboxing of this device because I'm super excited. So I really like what Huawei is doing. They're trying to kind of make great devices for, I mean, a number of price points. So no matter the amount of money you have, you can get a device. I mean, this has a very attractive body, it's very affordable, but it's very stylish. You don't have a lot of devices out there with this kind of dewdrop display under 1,000 Ghana cedi. So when you open the device, what you're going to be met with is the phone itself. So we have the Y7 Prime 2019, and this is the color I went for, guys. This is a very nice color. I really love the blue and the kind of purple tint. I mean, I'm a fan of this device. So there you have it. It has a dual lens setup at the back. It has a fingerprint sensor. It has a dewdrop cutout for the camera, and then I heard it has face unlock. I'm going to be dropping a full review of this device. So if you're excited about it, let me know in the comment section down below. So this is the device. Let me go into the other things that we can find in the box. Yeah, so we do have a quick start guide. We have a rubber case. We do have transparent rubber protector for the screen. And then we have the SIM ejector too. Now let's move to the other stuff in the box. It does come with a cable. So there you have it, that's our cable. And we have our charging brick. I don't know whether this is fast charge. I think it does have some amount of fast charge. So there you have it. This is our charging brick. What else do we have in the box? Oh, there. So we do have earphones as well. I do love the look of these earphones. The cables look kind of very durable. So there you have it. So we have our device here and a number of accessories. So I'm going to take the rubber off this device so that you can appreciate the color gradient on the back of this device. Oh, that's a very satisfying feeling. And so as you can see, wow, I really love this color, Aurora Blue. I wish every device would come in Aurora Blue. So yeah, there you have it. And I'm going to take the front protector off. And from what I'm seeing, I can tell you guys this is a very gorgeous display. You can see a very thin front speaker unit right up the top, and it's all screen with a dewdrop display. So I really love this. So that's that for my unboxing video. I'm going to be doing a full review of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. So if you're excited about that, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.